Hey, I got another unboxing for you that I had to share to you. Nike by you customization. These are the Nike Dunk. Got one and two. We got one and two. Okay, so as you can see right here, two pairs of this colorway. The sizes are 9.5 and 7.5. So maybe I made a mistake with that 7.5, kind of little small, but hey, it's still Nike SB, and the hype and the resale value are crazy. It depends on the colorway, but hey, it is Nike by you. So there we go. Let's pop that open. Boom. Ooh, look at that gum bottom. I like the gum bottom. I always admire gum bottom. That's why I got one of those kill shot to leather that comes with more better upper leather, and then the gum bottom. Wow, I'm gonna do a separate video on that one. So this one comes with the yellow, red, and white shoes with the gum bottom and white midsole. Not that much crazy colorway, but it is really nice color though. I think it's the inspiration is Atlanta Hawks colorway, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's just the basic Nike SB Dunk. Not too much crazy looking colorway, but still eye-popping, eye-catching colorway. So what do you think on this one? Where would you cop them? Would you resell them or put them on feet? So what do you think? So anyone already got a pair on there, Nike by you? I hope you did got yours. So that's it, what I got for today on the Nike by you. So this one is the one is size 7.5. So I might gonna hold this one. I might gonna resell this one a little bit lesser, something like that, small, because this one is kind of smaller. 7.5, too small. Maybe I made a mistake. It should have put on 9.5 or 8.5. But it happens when I was kind of rushing and have to check out like fast that I could, because bots was eating a lot of stock. When they did a restock, had to do really fast, like check out, pick inspiration, check out, not too much customization, just check out. But the bad thing also, you cannot check out multiple same color multiple. You can't do that, but you could do what you could do is different colorway. So what just I did is just check out. Just I had to fast that I could manually. So good thing I had a chance that I could really do it fast, because I have two phones separate. When I check out the other one, move to the other one, check out the other one. So I have two phones, and that's why I got multiple of this Nike by you. So what do you think? Any thoughts? Leave a comment down below. So if you like it, can you please subscribe if you haven't? I'll see you in the next one.